So for this worksheet about rational operations, we start with a subtraction problem where we have a positive and subtracting a negative. When you subtract a negative, that's the same thing as just adding a positive. So that would be 2 times 8. So the answer would be 10. 2 plus 8, excuse me, 2 plus 8. Yep, 2 plus 8, the answer would be 10. For this one, again, we have a number, and now we're subtracting a negative, so that would be adding a positive. If I have negative 8 plus 1, you can think of it as, again, you owe me $8, and now you have $1. So after you've paid me the $1, when you're done with everything, you still owe me 7. So negative 8 plus 1, you'd be at negative 7. For these next problems, we have more than two numbers, and so we go through our PEMDAS, and they're all addition and subtraction. So we just go from left. So we just go from left to right, just like you read a book. So we start with negative 1 plus 8. So negative 1 plus 8, this one right here, negative 1 plus 8 would be the same thing as 8 minus 1. So that would just be 7. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 would be 12. This next one right here, we start with the first two right here. 6 plus a negative 3 is the same thing as 6 minus 3. So that would just be 3. And we bring down the other thing, plus negative 3. Plus a negative is the same thing as just subtracting. So that would just be 3 minus 3. So our answer would be 0. The last two problems are the same thing, except now we have 4. Once again, we just go from left to right and go through them all here. So we start with the first one on the left. 7 minus negative 5 minus a negative is the same thing as 7 plus 5. So that would be 12. Then I bring down the other part, minus negative 7 minus negative 3. A minus a negative would be a plus, so doing just these two. 12 minus negative 7 would be 12 plus 7. And again, I'm just going to, so that together would be 19. And I'm going to bring down the last part, minus negative 3. And minus a negative is the same thing as plus. So 19 plus 3, put that together, and that would be 22. Our final one is, once again, we're just going to go from left to right. So we're going to start with 8 minus 6. That would just be 2. Now we have 2 minus 6 minus 5. We're going to take these two. 2 minus 6. So again, if I have $2, but then I owe somebody $6, after I've paid them the 2, I still owe 4. So it's minus 4 minus 5 now. And then again, if I owe someone $4 and now they owe them additional 5, put those together, that would be I owe them 9. So negative 9.